Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you will be fine inshallah. Let's start today's video. How beautiful is this cow? Viewers, cows are highly sensitive, social and unique animals who remember people who have been unkind to them. Cows have such brilliant eyesight around them without moving their heads. Some are bold and some are adventurous, while others are shy. Some are friendly and considerate. According to research, cows are generally quite intelligent animals who can remember things for a long time. Whereas cows are loving and forgiving. Cows enjoy loving touch such as a belly rub or ear scratch. They appreciate praise and affection. Cows can even learn to trust humans again after being abused. They are just incredible. I hope you like this video inshallah. Thanks for watching.